Downtown Albany is a community at our best when we're serving you. And while you might not be able to see our smiles, what isn't masked is our excitement of welcoming you back and sharing the incredible dishes, shopping, and personal care you'll find here, set among historic views you can't experience anywhere else. Throughout downtown, you'll see our neighborhood businesses focusing on cleaning and safety practices to help keep you and your loved ones healthy. We invite you to downtown Albany to enjoy incredible meals, indulge in some well-deserved shopping and pampering, and experience awe-inspiring art and architecture. To the community we love, from the heart of our capital city, we can't wait to see you.